Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. In this video, I wanted to cover more about the different and various Bitcoin ETFs. As you may or may not be aware of, there's actually several Bitcoin ETFs that are being proposed. And I came across a really nice flow chart that tracks all of the ETF proposals and at what stage they are at. And as you'll see, a number of them are in extended periods of review, and that's why, again, we think that the big boy that everyone's looking at, the one proposed by the CBOE, is going to go through a couple more extension periods. If not, if it's approved earlier and it's a surprise scenario, probably going to be very bullish in the short term. But probably, most likely, they extend it out sometime after the beginning of 2019. So anyway, let's switch over to this site I'm talking about, and I'll show you the link toward the end of the video. And we'll see how it's laid out and how you can kind of look at it. Real quick, guys, before we dive into that, just want to remind you guys we have our specials running on tradelikeagenius.com, and we have our training bundles. So this one and this one, or if you'd like to get into the room in our binaries and our cryptos and our ETF signals, you can grab this guy here. Again, expires in about 11 hours or so. So to go to the chart I'm talking about, you're going to go to toggle.it, and I'll give you the address, like I said, after we review this. But essentially, you're going to enter the page here, and you're going to see it like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to zoom out. So Control minus, if you're using your browsers, usually that'll zoom out. And you can see all the different proposals. So you're just going to zoom in or zoom out, and you can drag around and look at it more closely. But you can see where they have it outlined: the Winklevoss Bitcoin shares. You have the Rex, they withdrew. First Trust, they withdrew. Granite shares, they're extending longer period to proceed to approve or disapprove. Solid X, longer period, that's an extension. Okay. On this other side, so this is like the BATS exchange, CBOE. Those are all the which exchange they're based out of. New York Stock Exchange and ARCA. You got the Solid X, they disapproved. Ether Index, they withdrew. Bitcoin Investment Trust withdrew. ProShares, review, second review. Direxion, third review. Rex, a new one, notice of filing. Really helpful if you're interested in the whole ETF scene with Bitcoin. These do have impacts, so it is good to keep tabs on them. Especially the ones I think that first we'll see an approval for the institutional sized ones, like what the CBOE is proposing, and then we'll see approvals on the retail side. Again, all very bullish. And so good way to keep track of it. This was compiled by Michelle Staton with crystalclarity.co. So a shout out to her for putting this together. Awesome little flow chart that stays updated. Website for this is very long. So this is, and I'll post this in the comments below. This is the Google shortener. So goo.gl/6bcm lowercase n capital R. That's your URL. Otherwise, it's this really long one down here. All right, guys. Well, that's it on this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was a very helpful tool. I like to find things that can help you guys stay on top of your crypto game. So until the next video, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Trade Genius.